Once upon a time, in a forest, there were two little bears who lived happily. One day, they went to the forest to play and have fun. After a while, they noticed a bad smell coming from the forest. They went to investigate and found that someone had littered the forest with trash and empty bottles. They were very upset and decided to clean up the forest themselves with the other little bears. Eventually, the forest became clean, and everyone was happy. This story teaches us the importance of taking care of our environment and working together to make the world a better place. After cleaning up the forest, the two little bears and their friends felt a sense of accomplishment and pride. They realized that by working together and taking action, they could make a positive impact on their surroundings. The once polluted and neglected forest was now a clean and beautiful place for all the animals to enjoy. The news of the little bears' efforts spread throughout the forest, inspiring other animals to join in the cleanup efforts. Soon, the entire community came together to protect and preserve their home. They organized regular cleanup days and implemented recycling programs to ensure that the forest remained clean and healthy for generations to come. As a result of their hard work and dedication, the forest flourished, and the animals lived in harmony with nature.